Have you ever mistaken one animal for another because they look so remarkably similar? It's a common mix-up in the animal kingdom, and today we're exploring the fascinating world of animal lookalikes. Imagine walking through a dense forest and spotting what you think is a familiar creature, only to realize it's an entirely different species. This phenomenon isn't just about the quirks of nature but a result of an intriguing process known as convergent evolution. This scientific concept explains how completely unrelated species can evolve similar traits as a response to comparable environmental challenges and opportunities. For example, the streamlined bodies of sharks and dolphins are not due to close family ties. These species have adapted independently to thrive in similar aquatic habitats. Their resemblance is a stunning example of nature's ability to mold different creatures with similar solutions to life's challenges. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of animal twins. Meet the fox and the jackal. At first glance, they might just be mistaken for long-lost siblings. Venturing into the wilds of the animal kingdom, it's easy to blur the lines between some creatures, particularly when their appearances echo one another. Take the fox and the jackal, for example, two canines that often cause a double take. Both animals boast a similar size, generally weighing anywhere from 15 to 35 pounds and measuring up to 40 inches in length, tail included. Their fur, too, can be deceivingly similar, with colors ranging from golden, reddish, or gray, often mixed with patches of white or black. Even their faces bear a resemblance, with sharp pointed ears and long, slender muzzles. However, despite these visual similarities, the fox and the jackal diverge significantly when it comes to their environment and lifestyle. Foxes are incredibly versatile creatures, found in a wide array of habitats from Arctic tundras to urban sprawls. They are true survivors, adapting their diet and behavior to thrive in diverse settings. On the other hand, jackals, which are often found in Africa and parts of southern Asia, prefer the open savannas, grasslands, and deserts. Unlike their fox cousins, jackals are less solitary, often seen in pairs or small groups. They are opportunistic feeders but tend to hunt more actively, preying on small to medium-sized animals and scavenging as a group. Behaviorally, foxes are known for their cunning and ability to solve complex problems, which helps them navigate the challenges of different terrains. Jackals, while also intelligent, demonstrate a more social approach to survival, relying on their pack for assistance in hunting and protection. Diet-wise, foxes have a varied palate, enjoying a mix of rodents, birds, insects, and even fruits and vegetables. Jackals, however, lean towards a more carnivorous diet, primarily consuming meat from their hunts or scavenges. So, while they might look similar, their lifestyles tell a different story. Spots galore but not the same creature. Can you tell a leopard from a jaguar? Welcome to a spotted spectacle in the animal kingdom. When it comes to distinguishing between a leopard and a jaguar, the devil is truly in the details. Both of these magnificent creatures boast a pattern of beautiful rosettes across their bodies, but not all spots are created equal. Let's dive into the world of these rosette patterns. Leopards, found primarily in sub-Saharan Africa and parts of Asia, have smaller and more closely packed rosettes without central spots. These rosettes are perfect for camouflage in the diverse habitats, ranging from dense bush to mountains. On the other hand, jaguars, which roam the rainforests of South and Central America, feature larger, fuller rosettes with central dots. This difference isn't just for show, it reflects adaptations to their respective environments. The jaguar's larger rosettes mimic the dappled light of the rainforest canopy, aiding in their stealth approach to prey. Beyond their patterns, their physical build is a telltale sign of their identity. Jaguars are generally more robust and muscular compared to leopards, with a build that is quite power-packed. This brawniness aids them in navigating the dense forest underbrush and tackling formidable prey like caimans and large capybaras. Geographical range also plays a crucial role in their identification. If you're spotting these cats in the wild, remember, leopards grace Africa and parts of Asia, while jaguars claim the Americas as their home. This is a simple yet effective way to avoid confusion, provided you know which continent you're on. Their habitats and hunting styles are as distinct as their appearances. Leopards are versatile hunters, comfortable both on the ground and in trees, often hauling their prey up branches to avoid scavengers. Jaguars, however, use their strength to pierce the skulls of their prey, demonstrating their power in a direct approach. Their spots might confuse you, but now you know who's who. Hares and rabbits, fluffy and adorable yet not the same. Let's hop into the details. At first glance, hares and rabbits might just seem like variations on a theme. Cute, cuddly, and often seen sprinting away in cartoons. However, beneath that soft exterior, they are distinctly different creatures shaped by their environment and evolutionary needs. Starting with their physical appearance, the differences are subtle yet significant. Hares, for instance, typically boast longer ears and larger feet than rabbits. These longer ears are not just a fashion statement. They help hares detect predators from afar, which is crucial in the open spaces where they tend to live. Another notable difference lies in their body size and build. Hares generally have a leaner, more athletic build, which is an adaptation to their high-speed lifestyle. This is key to their survival strategy, as hares are designed to outrun threats in open terrains. Rabbits, on the other hand, tend to be smaller and have a more compact body shape, better suited for their burrowing lifestyle. Speaking of lifestyles, let's delve into their breeding behaviors and survival strategies. Hares are solitary creatures and they do not dig burrows. Instead, they make a small depression on the ground called a form, which is simple but effective. Hares give birth to precocial young, which means their offspring are born with their eyes open and with fur, ready to fend for themselves almost immediately. Rabbits, contrastingly, are more community-oriented. They live in intricate burrows known as warrens, which provide safety from predators and harsh weather. Rabbit kits are altricial, meaning they are born blind and hairless, requiring significant parental care before they can venture outside. Moreover, while hares can be found sprinting across fields, rabbits are more likely to be spotted closer to their burrows, using their network of tunnels to escape danger. So, next time you see those long ears, think twice. Hare or rabbit? Alligators and crocodiles, both feared, both revered. But can you spot the difference? Dive into the swamps and rivers and you might encounter these formidable reptiles. At first glance, alligators and crocodiles might seem like twins separated at birth, but don't let their scaly exteriors fool you. These creatures are distinctly different once you know what to look for. First, let's talk snouts. The snout is a key feature that sets these two apart. Alligators have a wider U-shaped snout that looks almost like a rounded shovel. This shape is perfect for cracking open the tough shells of turtles and other crustaceans found in their American habitats. On the other hand, crocodiles sport a more pointed V-shaped snout. This aerodynamic design aids them in catching a variety of prey, from fish to mammals, in their more diverse habitats across the globe. But why does this difference matter? Well, the shape of their snouts tells us a lot about their diets and lifestyles. Alligators, with their broader snouts, prefer a slower-paced ambush method of hunting. Crocodiles, with their narrower snouts, are more versatile hunters, capable of faster snapping and greater variety in their diet. Moving on to temperament and habitat, these factors are also telltale signs. Generally, crocodiles are considered more aggressive than their alligator cousins. This aggression might be linked to their broader distribution in more competitive environments, ranging from the shores of Australia to the banks of the Nile. Speaking of environments, habitat preference is another crucial difference. Alligators are primarily found in freshwater environments like ponds, marshes, and rivers, mainly within the United States and China. Crocodiles, however, can thrive in both freshwater and saltwater, which explains their presence in a variety of climates and locations around the world. In summary, while both alligators and crocodiles may share a prehistoric charm, their snouts, habitats, and behaviors shine a light on their distinct natures. Now, distinguishing these reptilian relatives should be a snap. Today, we've uncovered some fascinating insights into the animal kingdom's doppelgängers. From the tricky distinction between foxes and jackals, with their subtle differences in behavior and habitat, to the often confused leopards and jaguars, whose spots tell stories of their evolutionary paths. We've delved into how even the familiar faces of hares and rabbits carry unique traits that set them apart, and not to mention the reptilian mix-ups between similar yet distinct species. Understanding these differences isn't just about satisfying curiosity, it's crucial for educational purposes and conservation efforts. Recognizing the distinct needs and environments of these animals helps in their protection and the preservation of biodiversity. So as we wrap up today's journey through the realm of animal lookalikes, remember that each creature holds a special place in the tapestry of life, and our understanding of them enriches our own lives and the health of our planet. Thank you for joining us on Genius Infusion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more intriguing animal insights. Until next time, keep exploring.